It's hard to imagine the world without plastics these days. For example, mouse pads, stickers, packaging, flower stickers or personalized cards are everyday consumer goods which are more appealing if they have a colorful design. These are all products on which the Genius 52 UV can print. The Genius 52 UV is the economical production system for waterless sheet-fed offset printing in 4 or 5 colors with UV drying technology. The compact sheet-fed offset printing press, Genius 52 UV for high-quality small and medium printing runs in the 36 by 52 cm format. This is the result of 30 years experience of KBA Medtronic AG, the specialist for coding and marking technologies and waterless offset printing on non-absorbent materials. KBA Medtronic is setting new standards in terms of quality and economy for extreme materials. Printing with the Genius 52 UV is simply genius. Cardboard or plastics up to 0.8 mm thick or ultra-thin materials just 0.1 mm thick are printed at a maximum continuous printing speed of 8,000 sheets per hour, immediately ready for further processing, for laminating, punching or cutting. Flexibility boosts competitiveness and already starts with the choice of printing plates. The Genius 52 UV is attractive to printers who want to go on working with analog plates, computer to film or computer to plate, and therefore aren't looking for a printing machine with direct imaging. Easy operation, the high quality of the waterless offset printing and its outstanding flexibility in terms of the materials printed on make the Genius 52 UV a true specialist for small print runs in color. It can be operated single-handedly and enjoys a high degree of automation. The low space requirements of the Genius 52 UV of only 12 square meters, including the extended delivery and UV dryer, are unique for a 5-color printer in this format category. In many cases, particularly for smaller facilities, this reduces crucial space costs. For the Genius 52 UV, special attention was paid to ergonomics. The operating panel with touchscreen, which can be moved from the sheet feeder to delivery, is an absolute novelty. With the Genius 52 UV, the operating panel can be positioned where it's needed, including by the sheet feeder, in front of the machine or by the delivery. The operator enters all job-related data on the movable touchscreen with clearly arranged operating masks for all machine functions, such as the tempering for ink usage, circumferential register, format settings and so on. To enable easy handling, the Genius 52 UV also has semi-automatic plate changing at the push of a button on the movable display. The plates are punched and bent in a punching device specially developed by Medtronic for exact register. Afterwards, the printer pushes the plates for the new job into the respective magazine. The printing plates are fixed onto the plate cylinder automatically and in keeping with the register. At the end of a print run, the used plates emerge from the respective magazine automatically at the push of a button. A complete image change hence takes just 7 minutes. By the way, used plates from repeat jobs can be used again. A newly developed pneumatic plate clamp ensures plate feed in keeping with the register. Setting the lateral and diagonal register as is normal with conventional sheet-fed offset machines is not required. At the same time, the extremely short refitting times for the Genius 52UV enable the printers to change jobs frequently in the course of a day, and even very small print runs of only a few hundred sheets can be produced very economically. KBA Medtronic AG has many years' experience with waterless short inking units without ink keys. The 1,500 systems that have been installed worldwide approve of this. As long as the work is carried out conscientiously in the preliminary stages, the short inking units without ink keys in combination with the waterless offset printing method guarantee exact, consistent colour density and brilliance, right down to the smallest detail. Another crucial advantage of the technology without zones is print quality that can always be reproduced. The most crucial characteristic of the Genius 52UV is the compact V-shaped layout of the 4 or 5 printing units around the central printing cylinder. Each sheet is printed in keeping with the register without gripper transfers, thus avoiding misregister. The identical diameter of Analox roller, plate and blanket cylinders guarantee stencil-free printing. Ink reception with Analox roller and chambered doctor blade rapidly facilitates optimal inking even with so-called difficult shapes. The density of the ink can be skillfully reduced or increased by means of the temperature control of the Analox rollers. With each rotation of the ceramic-coated Analox roller, a thin layer of ink is transferred to the inking roller. A doctor blade removes the excess ink to achieve a consistent printing result. To keep the printing process stable, the plate cylinders and Analox rollers are tempered. This enables a wide variety of print runs to be produced, ranging from a few hundred to several tens of thousands, with a high degree of quality consistency. All rollers and cylinders for the impression throw-in are bedded in linear guides without play and without eccentric bush. Bearer rings for inking rollers and plate cylinders dispense with the unpleasant task of adjusting ink rollers. Equally, when servicing is required, the rollers and cylinders can be changed quickly. The Genius 52UV prints all types of non-absorbent materials, vacuum metal coated substrates, plastics such as PVC, PC, PS, ABS and PET, as well as cardboard materials up to 0.8 mm thick. Here is great potential for creative people and printers, for job, packaging and label printers. This high degree of flexibility regarding materials for printing is achieved by means of a high-performance stream feeder with back-edge cutoff and with a unilaterally supported feeder head and the quadruple central printing cylinder. This means that when passing through the machine, the sheet is only slightly curved. This is crucial for both cardboard and plastic. The Genius 52UV is most interesting in terms of economy for small and medium print runs, owing to short setup and refitting times. It gets to the inking stage faster than other machines, and this really pays off when jobs have to be changed frequently. The combination of the waterless offset printing method with self-regulating short inking units and exact tempering of the plate cylinder make the Genius 52UV an attractive alternative for all users who, for operative reasons, prefer to work with computer-to-plate or analog plates. the design of the Genius 52 UV is both futuristic and functional. It's a sensible investment for newcomers to offset printing, because the Genius is very simple to operate and can be handled very quickly. Offset professionals can complement their portfolios with the technology for new markets and new business segments. Silkscreen printers who want or need to produce on an industrial basis can enhance their competitiveness with the Genius 52 UV. For certain segments, this sheet-fed offset machine also makes a genuine alternative to digital printing. With the Genius 52 UV, KBA Medtronic is actively contributing towards an ecological, more standardized, quality-oriented printing process.